commit with you guys. I commit with the humanity. In 10 years, I'll contribute at least 1000 siddhas to you guys. A person who is stuck in perceived impossibility is a failure. The person who has completed the perceived impossibilities and living with the factual impossibility is a successful person. A person who has mastered even the factual impossibility is a siddha. Understand? In 10 years, I'll give you at least 1000 siddhas from my Gurukul. Because when you complete with the perceived impossibility, the experience of reality changes for you. Please listen. If you complete with the one incompletion related to this podium, don't think only with this podium you become complete. One aspect of your divinity is also awakened. You are now something more. So every time you complete with some perceived impossibility or the perceived incompletion of the world, you go on raising to the next level. That is what I exactly call as spiritual growth. Completing with every perceived impossibility which appears as reality. I am giving you the essence of Vedanta. How many of you listen to satsang regularly? Raise your hand. Then all of you will be able to easily follow up what I am saying. Drop it. Please listen. Completion with perceived impossibility leads to recognition about reality, recognition about possibility and impossibility. Then even the factual impossibility opens its door for you and tells you, no, even I am not that rigid. What you call as factual impossibility, even that tells you, no, I am not big enemy for you. There is no such thing as a factual impossibility. Please come in. Our borders are not defined. We can overlap on each other. Even the factual impossibility stands with Purnakumbha to receive you. Understand? Perceived impossibility is insecurity. Completing with the perceived impossibility is security. Ability to handle even the factual impossibility is giving security to others.